Hello my friend and welcome back to Survival Superhero. Now this right here is the brand new WP33 Pro rugged phone from Oukitel. Now it has got a giant 22,000 mAh battery and a 5G Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, along with a 136 decibel multimedia speaker, 20 megapixel Sony night vision, and a unique hand strap built right into the back. And I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this phone in this video. And I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment below if you want to learn more information or if you want to purchase one. Now let's get straight into this video. First, let's see what all comes inside the box. In the box you get a 33 watt charger, a charging cable, a user manual with quick start guide, a warranty certificate, and they say there's a screwdriver in there. Now we will get to what that is for here in a little bit. And of course you get the WP33 Pro itself. What about the price? The WP33 Pro retails at $500, but it is launching at a special low price of just $240 when you buy it from Oukitel's official AliExpress store. Now that sale goes on from January 8th through January 12th, 2024. So hit the link in the description below to get this low price or to see the current price if you missed the sale. CPU and GPU. It's got an octa-core 2.2 GHz 5G MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset made using the 6 nanometer process, and it got an Antutu score of 430,000. It's got two Cortex A76 cores at 2200 MHz and 6 Cortex A55 cores at 2000 MHz, and the GPU is a Mali G57. Size and weight. It is 175.4 millimeters in height by 84 millimeters in width by 27.2 millimeters in thickness, which is 6.9 by 3.3 by 1.07 inches. And it weighs 577.5 grams or 1.27 pounds. Let's talk about RAM and storage. Now, it's got an 8GB base RAM capacity that can be increased up to 24GB with virtual RAM. And it's got 256GB of internal storage. Now, the RAM and storage type is LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. Let's take a look at this battery. Now it's got a massive 22,000 mAh battery that can actually last 1 week of daily use on one charge and even up to 3 months in standby. Now it gives you 120 hours of calling, 80 hours of music, 30 hours of video, and 20 hours of gaming. It's got 33 watt fast charging that will charge this massive battery from 0 to 50% in 2 hours, 80% in 3 hours, and 100% in 4 hours. And it's also got 18 watt fast reverse charging, which Oukitel says will let you charge an iPhone 15 9 times on a single charge from the WP33 Pro. Let's look at the durability. Now the housing material is dual color injection molding plus aluminum titanium alloy. And the phone is rated IP68, IP69K dust proof and water resistant, as well as military standard 810H. So you can fully submerge the WP33 Pro underwater up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes, and it can withstand a 1.5 meter drop onto concrete. It can also work in extreme temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius and as high as 75 degrees Celsius, which is -49 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Display. It's got a 6.6 inch FHD Plus IPS display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, running at 1080 by 2408 resolution with 450 nits brightness, 400 ppi pixel density, and an 85% screen to body ratio. Let's look at the cameras. It's got a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 main camera that can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS. Plus, it's got a 20 megapixel night vision camera with Sony IMX350 sensor, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 32 megapixel front camera with Sony IMX616 sensor that can shoot 1080p video at 30 FPS. Other features. The WP33 Pro does have a unique hand strap that's built right into the back of the phone. Now the strap is made out of leather and it's got a ring connected to it that you can use to connect it to your backpack, your lanyard, or even hang it on the wall. And you can use a screwdriver to remove the strap if you need to as well. Now it's also got a 5-watt pro level multimedia speaker on the back of the phone that pumps out 136 decibels of sound, and Oukitel says that it is the loudest smartphone to date. It's also got 8D immersive stereo surround sound for elevated sound experience. And it runs Android 13 with NFC, Face Unlock, Fingerprint Scanner, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Bidot, and you can run dual SIM cards, plus it's also got eSIM, and the headphone port is Type-C. Here on the screen are the networks and frequency bands that the WP33 Pro works with. Final thoughts. Now personally, I think the strap is a really cool idea, and it's also very cool that you can easily remove it and then put it back on whenever you need to. I also like that it is 5G, and the Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset is cool to see. Even though it's not the fastest chipset, it's still a step in the right direction, and it's more than good enough for most people. I also like the 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 main camera that can shoot 4K video, and the 20 megapixel Sony night vision. So who is this one for? This would be a great phone to take with you on a long adventure in the woods, and it would also be great to take camping, mountain climbing, sailing, or any trip that you want your phone to last for over a week on one charge. Now it could also be great for a party because of its super loud speaker and 8D sound. Now you can hit the link in the description below to get more information or to purchase one. So let me know your thoughts about the WP33 Pro, and also tell me what would you like to see from Oukitel in their next rugged smartphone. Please do share this video if you found it helpful, and then you can click right here for another great rugged smartphone video, and I will see you there.